Alrighty, so once you have completed your mosaic, you're happy with it, you've looked over the rubric, making sure you have checked off all of the criteria, you're going to make sure that your first initial and your last name, as well as your class period, is written at the top where it asks you for a file name. Then you're going to come to File. You're going to come down here to where it says Download. So you're going to come down to File, Download. And then you're going to come here, make sure you're clicking on JPEG, not a PDF, nothing else. I want it to be a photo, so you're going to click JPEG. On my computer, it has automatically generated to this bottom corner. I don't know how it'll look on the student view when y'all do it on your computers at school, but this is how it is on mine. So I'm going to come over here, different tab. Okay, I'm on student view. You're going to go to modules. Make sure you're obviously in my course. Okay, you're going to scroll on down. Make sure that you are in the 5th 6 weeks. Ooh, I scrolled too far. And you're going to click right here where it says Digital Mosaics. You'll click on that. Okay, I have, the general overview, everything we've talked about. The rubric is down here. Okay, and again, we've talked about the rubric, so it shouldn't be a surprise. And then you'll just submit it as per usual. Okay, and you guys know how to do this because you do it all the time for my stuff, for your sketchbook assignments. And then you would just submit assignment. And then you wait for the dramatic pause. Ta-da! Submitted! Woohoo! Confetti! So that way I grade it through Canvas so you can automatically see once I've graded it. So yeah, main thing, quick review. File, download, JPEG. Okay? And then again, make sure you have it labeled correctly. Let me know if you have any questions.